I like the sound of the music. I guess having the Klezmer man at my bat mitzvah, and then also being involved with this congregation that had a Klezmer interest. David Schneer was the rabbi or the leader of that congregation, and he was in a Klezmer band, and the Farbrengen Fiddlers. And Alan Oreski is the violinist who was in that group. And so he's the one who gave me lessons, and I just liked the sound of it. I thought it was cool. It sounded fun. And then there was a Klezmer cafe at a local hotel in Bethesda or Chevy Chase. And so a few times in high school, I think I went to that and then brought my violin and jammed with them a little bit. And then when I was in college, I went to Columbia, and so there was a lot of Yiddish there. And one of my favorite things to do was just to read the course guide and see all the courses that were offered at my college. And so one day I happened upon a course in Yiddish culture, in translation. So it was a course for English speakers, but it was in the graduate school. So there were a lot of, I mean, it was a small class, but most of the other students were graduate students. But I learned a lot about, and it mentioned Klezmer. So I decided to take it because I thought, oh, I got to take this class. It's about Klezmer. And so that's where I really got interested in Yiddish. And then the National Yiddish Book Center was advertising this summer internship, and it paid, and I needed a paying job over the summer, so that was perfect for me. And then I really got hooked when I was at the National Yiddish Book Center.